Welcome to this video on product enablement, focusing on the evolution from AI assistant to AI agent using the MCP server, brought to you by the Catalan customer support team. Our agenda covers the evolution of Studio Assist from Ask mode to agent mode, understanding the MCP server, its secure architecture, and demonstrating key use cases and features, test creation and maintenance. We'll also share tips and tricks and introduce the Catalan support assistant. Let's begin by discussing the evolution of Studio Assist. The Ask mode or assistant functions as a powerful chatbot, providing suggestions, generating code snippets, explaining complex code, and answering documentation questions. The new agent mode or co-pilot from version 10.3.2 onwards is an active agent that directly acts on your project, automating test creation, providing trusted answers from Catalan docs, and extending automation capabilities. Now, let's explore what the MCP server is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It acts as a secure toolbox, bridging the AI's intelligence with the tools needed to act on your project. The Catalan MCP server offers accurate, documented answers, helps automate test cases using tools, and facilitates test ops connection. You can also add external HTTP-based MCP servers to extend capabilities. Next, let's look at how the agent mode works. The agent mode architecture involves 3 steps. First, the user provides a prompt. Second, the Catalan Studio MCP server finds the appropriate tool for the task. Finally, the tool executes locally, making changes directly in your project without manual copy-pasting. Studio Assist's agent mode interacts with multiple MCP servers, including Catalan Studio, Catalan Document, and Catalan Test Ops, as well as external project management tools like Atlassian. The Catalan MCP server supports tools for searching the knowledge base and reading documentation. The Catalan Studio MCP server offers tools for test cases, custom keywords, test objects, test suites, BDD, and test data management. The Catalan Test Ops MCP server provides extensive tools for managing test cases, test suites, requirements, sprints, releases, and projects within Test Ops. We will now look at some use case demonstrations. A common challenge is new feature adoption. Testers often don't have time to read release notes or learn how new features work, sticking instead to what they know. The use case for new feature adoption offers accelerated document retrieval and enhanced feature usage, allowing users to quickly search and understand new capabilities within Studio Assist agent mode. Another challenge is test creation. Many engineers spend too much time on boilerplate tasks like reading requirements, adding objects, and then writing steps. The use case for rapid test case generation from Jira requirements can reduce manual test case creation time by 60 to 70%, offering significant business value. BDD test creation presents similar challenges, requiring extensive manual effort to write gherkin scenarios, create test objects, define steps, and prepare test data. The new AI workflow for BDD testing streamlines the process, utilizing the Jira and KSMCP servers to generate feature files, test objects, and test cases automatically, simplifying the complex BDD creation steps. This capability enables non-technical team members to create BDD test cases rapidly from Jira requirements, demonstrating excellent business value. Test maintenance and optimization is a significant challenge, especially with suites bloated with undetectable duplicates and legacy code, which hinders faster releases. Use case 1 focuses on identifying duplicated test cases, which reduces regression execution time by removing redundancy in your test suite. Use case 2 addresses duplicated test objects. Identifying and managing these keeps the project lightweight, reduces confusion for automation engineers, and speeds up the IDE performance. Use case 3 demonstrates automated test case refactoring. This ensures that every script adheres to high-quality coding standards and best practices consistently across your project. Here are some tips and tricks. Break down large tasks into smaller questions for Studio Assist. Consider using a personal key with a stronger AI model for better answers. Turning off unused MCP servers and tools, or explicitly mentioning the tool name, improves proper tool usage. A few known limitations to note. Catalan Studio MCP server is built-in and not public for use with other AI assistants. Review and modify AI-generated tests, as mistakes can still occur. Studio Assist currently supports connecting to SSE and HTTP remote MCP servers, including those requiring authorization, but not servers like GitHub.